Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Amanda.
Good morning, honey.
Good morning, Miss Amanda.
Good
Morning.
morning, Miss Amanda.
Good morning.
Good morning, Miss Amanda.
Miss,
Morning.
should we get to the sheets for review?
Good morning.
Good morning.
Miss Amanda, will we do the spelling sheets today in the meeting or no?
We don't have spelling sheets this week. Did you check the weekly plan?
No, I didn't. It's next to me. I'll check it.
Let's take a look at the weekly plan together because you guys are supposed to print things and bring them to class.
The reteach?
Yes.
Yes, I did.
Okay.
I
So
have
that's,
the
that's
reteach
what's
next to
listed
me.
on the weekly plan for today.
Miss, the reteach is in the textbook, right?
No, it's not. It's posted on Smart School. So it says, please print and bring these to class. So everyone should have Reteach 61, 66, and 68 in front of them. Everyone was supposed to print and bring it with them to class today. This is on the weekly plan that's been posted since Thursday. Yes, Farida?
Are we going to present our project?
No, we are not.
Oh.
Did you check the weekly plan, sweetheart? The project was due today. I have not even received from all of your classmates for us to start presenting.
Yeah, I thought that we would.
No, we will not be presenting today. Also, some people sent me emails with the parts of their project. I do not accept anything on email. I do not accept anything on Facebook. If you sent it to me that way, you must go back and upload it on assignments because I do not accept. It is a school policy that it all must be put on assignments, not accepted in any other way. So you must upload your materials onto assignments only. No emails, no personal messages. It must be uploaded on assignments. Okay, so if you sent me your part of your projects in emails, I have responded to you and opened your file so you can upload it in the correct place. Okay, the only way to receive credit for your project is to upload it on assignments. Okay, everyone should have Reteach 61, 66, and 68 in front of them as we are going to start reviewing these concepts for the exam. Okay, they are in Smart School in the revision folder. Exam review, we are starting today, okay? All right, we are going to take attendance and then we'll get started. I hope everybody has this sheet so that you can participate. Okay, when I call your name, unmute your mic, say here, and then mute your mic again. All right. Just 1 second. Okay. Abdurrahman, 1 second. Let me check the mics to make sure that you can unmute yourself. Okay, you can unmute yourself now. Abdurrahman Kareem.
Here.
Adito. Adito. Okay. Let's be sure that you speak up and so that I can hear you, okay? Basil.
Here.
Iyad Adil.
Here.
Thank you. Iyad Tamer.
Here.
Hamza,
Here. I'm here.
Muaz,
Here.
Muhammad,
Here.
Mustafa, Mustafa, Omar, Omar, someone needs to mute their mic. I can hear you playing with tape or something in the background. Basil, I think that's you. Please mute your mic. Okay, Mustafa and Omar. Okay, Tahir,
Here.
Wahba,
Here.
thank you. Yasin, Yasin, Yusuf,
Here.
thank you. Isol, Isol, Farah,
Here.
thank you. Farida,
Here.
Jada,
Here.
Jannah,
Here.
Germana,
Here.
Leanne,
Here.
Leela, Leela,
Here.
thank you. Medic,
Here.
Talar,
Here.
Reem,
Here.
Ragmini,
Yes, Miss Amanda.
and Tia. Tia. Okay. All right. Yes, Wahba, what's your question?
I was gonna say I'm sorry I joined late.
It's okay, hon. All right. Let's get started. We're going to start with Reteach 61. Pull up the sheet for you. I hope everybody has their sheets in front of them because you won't be able to see the questions on my sheet. You have to have your own. Okay, let's see. 61. All right, on page 61, we are reviewing how to combine sentences using adjectives. Okay, we're combining sentences using adjectives. So if you have your sheet and you would like to answer, please raise your hand. Okay, great. Thank you for those of you who printed like I asked. Okay, number one, let's get started. Read the two sentences, then tell me how to correctly combine them. Okay, Mohammed.
Okay. Rico visited a zoo. The zoo was interesting. So Rico visited an interesting zoo.
That's correct. Rico visited a zoo. The zoo was interesting. Rico visited an interesting zoo. Very good, Mohammed. Thank you. Okay, Reem, number two, please. Hello, Reem.
Hello, Miss Amanda.
Number two, please.
He saw some lines. The lines were roaring. He saw some lines roaring.
I'm sorry, can you say it again for me, please? I'm sorry, honey.
He saw some lines roaring.
I can't hear you, sweetheart. Can you please raise your voice?
He saw some lions roaring.
Does it say roaring in the sentence?
No, it says.
No, it doesn't. He saw some lions. The lions were scary.
But in my sheet it's roaring.
Can you show me your sheet, please?
Here.
Pull the sheet down. Let me see the top, honey.
Here.
Honey, I want you to pull it down so I can see the top of your sheet. Look at your screen and see what I can see and show me the top of your sheet. One second. I want to see if why we have different stuff. Okay, there we go. I'm making it bigger for you. The lions were roaring. Very strange. Okay, well, hold the sheet up a little further so I can see the rest of it. Can you pull the page up? Let me see the rest to see if there's other differences. Well, isn't that strange? Very, very strange. Okay, honey, thank you. Okay, Reem, thank you. All right. Very strange. All right, so Reem has the lions were roaring. My copy has the lions were scary. Okay, so if you have Reem's copy, it's he saw some roaring lions. And if you have my copy, he saw some scary lions. Okay, thank you, Reem. All right, next, Jomana, number 3, please.
He watched some elephants. The elephants were trumpeting. He watched some trumpeting elephants.
Okay, so we definitely have 2 different sheets, don't we? Very strange. Very, very, very strange. My copy says, this is very strange because I put the file from my file. He watched some elephants. The elephants were enormous. All right, so Jomana, you said he watched some elephants. The elephants were trumpeting. Is that correct, Jomana?
I said he watched some trumpeting elephants.
Okay, so if you have Jomana's copy, it should say he watched some elephants. The elephants were trumpeting. My copy says he watched some elephants. The elephants were enormous. So he watched some trumpeting elephants or he watched some enormous elephants. Okay, depending on the copy you have. Thank you, Jomana. All right, next one, please. Number 4. Ragmini.
Rico watched the elephants being fed. The elephants were hungry.
Okay, how do we combine?
Rico watched the hungry elephants being fed.
That's correct, okay? Rico watched the hungry elephants being fed. Thank you, Ragmini. All right, Mr. Iad, number 5, please.
Number 5. After they ate, the elephant did some tricks. The tricks were clever. After they ate, the elephant did some clever tricks.
Excellent, very good. After they ate, the elephants did some clever tricks. Very good, thank you. Hamza, number 6.
Number 6. Rico visited reptile exhibit. That was new. Rico visited the new reptile exhibit.
Rico visited the reptile exhibit. The exhibit was new. Rico visited
the new reptile exhibit.
That's correct. Thank you. Okay, Leanne, number 7.
Number 7.
There were many kids of snakes. The snakes were exotic. There were many kids of
Kinds. Many kinds.
Miss, what did you say?
Kinds, not kids, kinds.
Oh, sorry. There were many kinds of snake. The snakes were exotic. There were many kinds of exotic snakes.
That's correct. Very good. Thank you. Okay. Number 8. Farah?
There were also many lizards. The lizards were unusual. There were also many unusual lizards.
Excellent. Very good. There were also many unusual lizards. Thank you. All right. Malik, number 9.
Then Rico went to see the birds. The birds were tropical. Then Rico went to see the tropical birds.
Excellent. Very good. Then Rico went to see the tropical birds. Okay. Abdurrahman, number 10.
Miss, you unmuted me.
Abdurrahman, number 10.
There were many kinds of parrots. The parrots were colorful. There were many kinds of colorful parrots.
Excellent. Very good. Okay. Any questions regarding how to combine sentences using adjectives? Let me put your hands down so I can tell if you actually have a question. Okay. Any questions regarding using adjectives? All right. Very good. Okay. Let's move on to the next page. Page 66. This is synonyms and antonyms, okay? Synonyms and antonyms. All right. Okay, synonym. Who can tell us what a synonym is? Raising your hand to tell me, what is a synonym? Muaz.
A synonym is a word that means the same or almost the same as another word.
That's right. 2 words that have the same or almost the same meanings. Okay? All right. And an antonym, tell us please, Muhammad.
An antonym is a word that means the opposite of another word.
That's exactly right. Antonyms are opposites, words that have the opposite meanings, okay? All right. Okay, I have lots of hands up, but I don't have a question out. So I'm going to put all hands down to give everybody a fair chance to raise their hand to answer. So please, if your hand is up, lower your hand until I ask you to answer, because it's not fair that people put their hand up before we even start answering and those who want to answer don't get a chance. Okay, so all hands down. There we go. All right, so sad and gloomy, synonyms, almost the same. Huge and enormous, almost the same. Pleasant and nice, almost the same. Happy and sad, opposites. Big and small, opposites. Right and wrong, opposites. Same or almost the same, synonyms. Antonyms for opposites. The way I remember the difference is that S for same is the same as synonym. All right, so let's take a look. Number 1, after each pair of words, we're going to say if they are antonyms or synonyms. Again, we're putting up our hand before I ask you if you would like to answer. That's not fair to everyone. So when I say that there's a chance to answer, then raise your hand. Okay, because that's fair for everyone. And sometimes the same kids are the first one who put their hands up and others don't get a chance to answer. So that's it. Let's go for number 1. You have to have your sheet to answer. Okay, you can raise your hands now. All right, Jenna, read number 1 for us, please.
Okay.
Gigantic,
Gigantic and
enormous.
enormous.
Synonyms.
Synonyms, right. Gigantic and enormous both mean that something is very large, so they are synonyms. Thank you, Jenna. All right, Adito, number 2.
Fiction or non-fiction. Antonym.
Okay, fiction and nonfiction, antonyms, right. A fiction story is not true and a nonfiction story is true. Antonyms, okay? Thank you. All right, number 3. Moaz.
Messy and neat. Antonym.
Messy and neat are antonyms, right. Okay, thank you, Moaz. Leanne, number 4.
You unmuted me.
Okay, honey, if I accidentally hit your button, it's okay. You can ignore it. Go ahead, Leanne.
Okay, number 4. Baby elephant. Cinnamon. I mean S. The S.
Yeah, synonyms, right. Baby and infant are synonyms. That's correct. An infant means a small child. Okay, thank you. Ed, number 5.
Okay. Old is synonym.
I can't hear you. You gotta raise your voice.
Synonym.
Honey, you have to read the words.
Old, aged.
I'm sorry, raise your voice, please. I can't tell what you're saying.
Old, aged.
Old and
Synonym.
aged. Synonyms, right. They both mean something is old. Correct. Thank you. Okay, Jemana, number 6.
Confused, muddled. Miss, what does it mean, muddled?
It means to be confused. They are synonyms.
Synonyms.
Muddled means to be confused. Okay? All right. That's all right if you don't know the word, no problem. All right. I need other hands. I have the same hands up every time. Where are the people who have their sheets? Okay, Reem. Number 7, please.
Narrow, wide, antonyms.
Narrow and wide are antonyms. That's right. They are opposites. Thank you. Adito. Number 8, please.
Number 8 is phone and call. Antonym. No, sorry, synonym.
Okay. Yell and shout. I have yell and shout for number 8. What do you have? I believe you read something different. What do you have? Hello, Adito.
I have phone and call.
For number 8?
Yes.
Okay, so phone and call are synonyms. Yell and shout are also synonyms, okay? So either one, whatever one you have on your sheet, yell and shout or phone and call, they are both synonyms. All right. Number 9. Let's see, Abdurrahman. A-
Ladle, scoop.
Sorry?
Ladle, scoop.
Ladle and scoop. Do you know what a ladle is?
Antonyms.
Sorry?
They are antonyms.
I can't hear what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Antonyms.
Ladle and scoop are, a ladle is something that you dig out the, oh, look at this, is very strange. Okay. A ladle, mine is small and tiny. A ladle is the thing that you take the soup out with, and a scoop is something like you take ice cream out with. So they are synonyms. They are the same. They're both used to scoop something out. Okay? On the sheet I have small and tiny, which have the same meanings. They are synonyms. Okay? All right. Very strange that we have different sheets. All right. Number 10. Let's see what we get now. Pilar. Number 10.
Okay, Miss Helen. Number 10.
Number 10.
Possess, own.
Possess and own.
Possess. What is the meaning of possess?
Possess means to own something. Like the word possession. When someone owns something. Possess means to own something. So they are synonyms.
Synonym.
Yes, the same. Okay. All right, thank you. Number 11, Muhammad.
Number 11, moist, dry.
Moist and dry.
Antonym.
That's right. Moist and dry. Moist means that it has water in it, and of course, dry means it does not. Okay, thank you. Adita, number 12.
Number 12 is
Honey, do you have the sheet in front of you?
yes. Number 12 is angry and mad.
Angry and mad.
Synonym.
Synonyms, okay? Ragmini, do you have the same thing for number 12?
Angry and mad.
Okay. All right, so angry and mad are synonyms. Go ahead, Ragmini, do number 13.
Okay. Fake and real. They are antonyms.
That's right. Fake and real are antonyms. They are opposites, correct. All right, number 14, Farida.
Yes,
Number 14.
of course. Number 14, skinny or dull. A synonym.
Skinny or what?
Or dull. Oh wait, no.
Shiny.
Antonyms.
The word is shiny, not skinny, shiny. Shiny
Wait.
or dull, and they're antonyms. Shiny means, of course, that
Oh
something
yeah.
is gleaming,
Sorry, I was in.
making light. Dull means it
Sorry, I
does
was
not.
in.
That's okay.
Yes, shiny.
Sorry, what were you saying?
Antonyms.
Antonyms.
Yeah, antonyms.
Antonyms. Okay. All right. All right, Jenna, how about number 15, please?
Okay. Break, speed.
I'm sorry, I couldn't hear you.
Break and speed.
Antonyms or synonyms?
Antonyms.
Okay. I have stop and start. What are your words again?
Break and speed.
I'm sorry, I can't make out what you're saying. Can you write the 2 words in the chat for me?
Okay.
Thanks. Somebody asked me, what is narrow? Narrow is the opposite of wide. Wide means that something has a lot of space between the sides. Narrow means that it does not have a lot of space between its sides. Okay, brake and speed, like when you're driving a car. When you brake, it means you stop. And when you speed, of course, it means you go very fast. So they're opposites. Brake and speed are antonyms. Okay, let's see. Number 16. Yeah.
High, low. Antonym.
High and low. High and low. Antonyms, correct. Okay, let's see. Medic, 17.
17. Breathy, windy. Antonyms.
I'm sorry, say the words for me again.
Breezy, windy.
Breezy and windy. Breezy and windy.
Synonyms.
Synonyms, right. Breeze means that there's a lot of wind. Okay, breezy means there's windy weather, okay? All right, number 18. Tahir.
Yes. Opened, closed. Antonyms.
That's right. Opened and closed antonyms. 19. Farah.
19. Slowly and quickly. Antonyms.
That's right. Slowly and quickly antonyms. And number 20. You guys have all done so many over and over. No one else has their sheet. We don't have other people to raise their hand. Wahba, 20.
Okay. Quickly and speedily, synonyms.
I'm sorry, what are they?
Quickly and speedily.
Quickly and speedily, synonyms, right? Both mean to go fast. All right, very good. Any questions? Please, everybody put your hands down. Everyone put your hands down, please. Any questions about synonyms or antonyms? Any questions about synonyms or antonyms? Okay, Abdurrahman, do you have a question?
No.
Okay, lower your hand, please. Tahir, do you have a question?
Yes.
Do you have a question? Your hand is up.
No, I forgot to put it down after I answered.
Okay, honey, put it down, please. Yes, Mohammed.
Samantha, after we finish these sheets, send it.
No, honey, you don't have to send it. This is classwork. Okay? Yes, Leanne.
Miss, number, what is number for 15? Because someone said stop and start, and someone said break and speed.
Okay, well, break and speed are antonyms, and stop and start are antonyms.
Okay.
Okay, so they're both the same. All right, guys, I'm going to stop the meeting here to give those people who do not have copies of their sheet an extra 5 minutes to go and print so that they can have their sheets. We're going to do the next page, which is 68, in the next session, and we're going to do vocabulary. So when you come back to the meeting, please bring your literature anthology book, and please bring page 68 that we're going to do together. Okay, see you guys in the next meeting. 11:20, bye-bye.